Hey guys, Chris here. You know how much I work with electronics, so I was very excited when Keg Laboratories, the makers of DeoxIT, reached out to me and said, hey, we're going to send you some products, to demo and try out and make a video. I said, okay. So got a whole bunch of literature here, and I read through everything. And I also had this old realistic 7-band stereographic equalizer that had some really bad sliders and noisy contacts on there, so it kind of worked out good. Here's some of the things that came in the box. Here's the D5. All that stuff is, I've used that before, and it has great stuff. And there's the gold G5. This is kind of cool, the audio video kit. This is what I'm going to be using for cleaning this equalizer. We see the fader gel there, so I opened it up, and looks like this is going to work out pretty good. It has a whole bunch of items in here for cleaning electronics parts. So what I did is, you see how corroded and crunchy these faders are, and crackly when it's actually plugged in. So what I did is I took all the knobs off the fader sliders and just tore apart this equalizer. Did a quick inspection, and what I'm using here is the D5 to kind of break all the corrosion and stuff that builds up on those sliders over time. And I let it set and use some of their pads that were included in the kit. Kind of cleaned up some of the smudges and gunk on there. And here's that fader lubricant. So I dabbed it all into the sliders there a couple of times. Yeah, it really is nice. Really nice movement now. And just put everything back together again. And applied a little more D5 on the audio input and outputs. Then I went and grabbed some of my 91% isopropyl alcohol and just kind of went over everything. I just did a little hot check here. Make sure she turned on. Also wanted to check how many watts this little stereographic equalizer took, and as you can see, it's about 5 watts. So yeah, this is going to work out really good. So thank you to Keg Laboratories, the makers of DeoxIT, for sending me all this stuff. And here's a 20% off coupon code, CVID20, so you can use that at checkout.